Knowledge elites. Headphones are recommended for better experience.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Himanshu Goyal and welcome to Knowledge Leads. What we have studied yet? We have studied first three parts of this chapter: human reproduction, the male, female reproductive structures, and then it is gametogenesis. And today we are covering menstrual cycle. What is menstrual cycle? The reproductive cycle in female primates like in monkeys, apes, and human beings is called as menstrual cycle. In human females, menstruation is a repeated event at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days. The cycle of events starting from one menstruation till the next one is called as menstrual cycle. In the middle of cycle, ovulation happens where ovum is released. Ovulation, please recall the gametogenesis part. First menstruation begins at puberty, that is called as menarche. This cycle includes three phases. The first phase is called as, what are the three phases? First is menstrual phase, second is follicular phase, then third is luteal phase. Now we are starting with first phase, that is called as menstrual phase. Menstrual phase lasts 3 to 5 days. Please follow the diagram accordingly. The breakdown of endometrial lining of uterus and its blood vessels, which results the formation of liquid that comes out through the vagina. It is called as menstrual flow. Menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. If fertilization happens, the other events or the events of menstrual phase does not occur. Lack of menstruation can be indicative of pregnancy. Pregnancy is what? When the ovum is fertilized, or it can be other factors like stress and poor health, etc. Now we are coming to next phase. It is followed by the second phase called as follicular phase. Follicular phase lasts till 14th day of the cycle. The primary follicles in the ovary grows to become a fully matured Graafian follicle. If you recall that cycle or that gametogenesis in females, then you can also recall the mature Graafian follicle, and simultaneously the endometrium regenerates through proliferation. What is proliferation? A rapid growth of the cells. These changes are induced by changes in level of hormones like secretion of gonadotropins, luteinizing hormone, and follicle stimulating hormone increase gradually during this follicular phase. That stimulates follicle development, and the follicle secretes estrogen. The developed follicle secretes estrogen hormone. Both LH and FSH peak at 14th day, that is mid-cycle, called as LH surge, luteinizing hormone surge, that ruptures Graafian follicle to release ovum, that is called as ovulation, and this phase is called as ovulatory phase, that followed by luteal phase. It lasts till 28th to 29th day. During this phase, remaining parts of Graafian follicle transforms into corpus luteum. It is an important gland. Please recall that. Please pay attention on it. Corpus luteum releases a large amount of progesterone that is necessary for maintenance of endometrium, for the implantation of fertilized ovum, and the other events of pregnancy. During pregnancy, all events of menstrual cycle stops, and in absence of fertilization, corpus luteum degenerates. Endometrium disintegrates, that results in menstrual flow, marking a new cycle. In human beings, menstrual cycle ceases around 50 years of age, that is termed as menopause. कुछ टर्म्स हैं जिनको आप हमेशा याद रखिएगा, जैसे स्टार्टिंग को हम लोग कहते हैं मेनाकी और मेनोपॉज, ये बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. Cyclic menstruation is indicator of normal reproductive cycle. Now we are coming towards the last. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. इसमें साथ में एक बेल आइकन भी होता है, उसको भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, जिससे मेरी नई वीडियोस की अपडेट आपको रेगुलरली मिलती रहे। Now I'm also present on Instagram and Telegram. You can follow me on Instagram as Knowledge Elite and same as in Telegram. Uh, have a knowledgeable day ahead and thanks a lot. Bye bye.